I gonna love you long time, yeah, long time. I gonna love you long time. Oh.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your girl tonight, Diamond here, and I'm back here another video. This is the first time you're seeing my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the notification on so you miss anything I post, and last one is be part of Diamond Squad. So go back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go and watch my recent videos if you have not already. They'll be up in the cards. And let me just wait until this goes away. Something is always interrupting my video. But anyways, today I have here the new I Heart Revolution Little Mermaid palette. So this is, you know, a new addition to their Disney Princess collection. So if you don't remember, they came out with these three first: the Beauty and the Beast, Princess and the Frog, and Cinderella. And now you have the Little Mermaid palette. I was more hoping that they would come out with a Jasmine palette and a Pocahontas palette, because I want to see those palettes, you know, because Jasmine and Pocahontas are my favorite Disney princesses. And I would like to see a palette for them. I would also like to see a Mulan palette as well too. So yeah, Sleeping Beauty, I would like to see that too. I mean, Sleeping Beauty is my least favorite Disney princess. But I do have like this big Sleeping Beauty palette, which this Sleeping Beauty palette costs a lot. It was like $68 for this palette. So yeah, but anyways, when you open, well, before you open it up, so the ingredients are not in the back of the palette, but they're in the back of the box. And it is cruelty free, has a 12-month shelf life. It has mica in it. And I don't see talc, so I guess it's just mica it has in it. So yeah. And in the back it also says, see the possibilities. Now when you open it up, it also says that in the middle. So over here you basically have your blush shades. Oh, I should never put on blush or highlighter. I totally forgot. I literally have blush and highlighter on right now. I totally forgot that I was going to use this. Stupid. You have your highlighters on this side, and then you have your eyeshadow palettes right here. So this palette retails for $20, and they do have afterpay. So if you want to pay right away, like if you want to get a lot more of their palettes, you can use that. Or just for this, since the fact that this is $20 and you can get this on afterpay, it just wows me, because usually some websites they you have to spend $35 in order to use afterpay. So yeah, but anyways, basically with this palette I'm gonna create the Ariel look, the Ariel look that I created in the past. Well, I'm gonna make it a little bit different, but I did an Ariel inspired look a long time ago, like maybe 2017, 2018. So yeah, I'm gonna create that. But the first shade I'm gonna swatch is called Ariel, is a lavender purple. Then you have Sebastian, which totally fits him. So this is a red. It looks like a hot pink on camera, but it's a red. Then you have Seaweed, which is a nice green. And then you have Flounder. So let me just, so yeah, the true colors. So that's just one swatch. But you know, I don't like to really judge this shadow based off of one swatch. So yeah, oh, this one looks really pretty. So this blue shade, that's really pretty. And I'm gonna swatch another shimmer. It's another blue. It's called Sea. It's like a blue purple. That's what I see in there. So really nice. I'm gonna swatch Waves, which is another blue. really nice. And trying to see. This was this one and this one. So this green and then that. So here you have those. Alright, so now I'm just going to clean my fingers and swatch the blushes and the highlighters. Alright, so I did that and I just wiped off, you know, some of the blush and the highlighter that was on my face, because I can't believe I seriously forgot that this literally had blush and highlighter for me to try out. So the blushes feel so smooth. Okay, one thing for sure. What the heck was that? Okay, one thing for sure. I don't know what the hell is going on. Okay, I don't know what is that sound, but these are the blushes. Now these two right here, obviously, I mean, I could possibly get away with using the orange to blush, but this one I feel like it's more likely for me to use the blush. Okay, this sound is scaring me. Okay, here it is. And here is this. So these are the three highlighters. Alright, so basically now I'm just gonna go ahead and create a look using this palette. Also the shade names are really nice too. You have Under the Sea, which I like that nice little gold. Heart of the Sea, Part of Your World. Make a Splash, Total Catch, Run the Wave. Okay, and then you got these names too. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and create a look now. Alright guys, so this is a look. I mean, it doesn't look, you know, the same like how I did my first ever Ariel inspired look, because I didn't put like the red under the eyes, but as you can see, this is definitely an Ariel inspired, you know, look that I did here. I used the red, the two purples, like the lavender purple and then the shimmer purple, which I didn't swatch actually, but is the purple right there. So and I did the green. So not really feeling it, you know, I'm not, but I'm trying to make this work. I put a little bit of eyeliner. As you can see, I didn't really put the eyeliner how I normally would put my eyeliner, so you know, I'm trying to have this look somewhat decent. But alright, and for the lips, I went ahead and used my Huda Beauty lippy. I almost forgot to put mascara on, so I'm gonna just put that on real quick. Give my eyelashes a little bit of a lift. Okay, down there. It's always so hard to do the bottom lashes. I can never just... Alright. So, now I'm going to try out the blush and the highlighter. But yeah, the shadows work pretty nicely. The lavender, because it's like a pastel, is a pastel color. It doesn't show up as vibrant, so that's why I had to dip into like the shimmer purple instead. So yeah, but other than that, it's very pigmented and buildable, you know, really nice. So now moving on. Okay, I gotta use the very last blush because that's the only one that looks like it would go with me. So let me just go ahead. And I didn't get my... Alrighty, so I got the brushes now. Alright, so I'm going to just dip into that. Can't really see the color, so... And this is more like a peachy orange kind of color. So, I mean, it doesn't really go with me, you know, this look, but yeah, like a peachy orange. Blush, highlighter. I'm gonna use the gold highlighter, or actually, I'm gonna use a white highlighter because it will more look better with the look. So. Powdery hair. I don't know, the white one seems a little bit powdery on the face. Like it's not really showing up how I would. Let me just build it up and see. Not really. Yeah, it's more powdery. Let me try the gold. And the gold looks better than the white. I don't know what's going on with the white one, but the white one is kind of like powdery for some reason. So okay, the gold one shows up alright. Alrighty, so let me just clean right here a little bit. And I'm missing a whole chunk of lipstick right here. Yes. Okay. Alright, so my thoughts on the palette now. The blush is really nice. I really like how the blush is. The white highlighter, I don't know, it was just a little bit powdery. I don't know what's going on with that one. Maybe if you spray like your brush or something, the white highlighter would show up a lot better. But the gold one worked pretty okay, much better than the white one. So not mad at it. So I do like the formula of the shadows. The shadows are really nice. So overall, I do like the palette. You basically got a lot of pretty colors in here to work with. Like these shimmers are so pretty, and even this one. I really wanted to use that one, but I'm like, no, I'm just gonna stick to doing Ariel. But anyways, I'm gonna just go by the window so you guys can see this a little bit more better. And yeah, okay guys, so you see what I mean? Major difference. I had my ring light on. My ring light just died on me, so yeah, I can see, you know, the full glamorous look over here. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about this Ariel inspired look, and what do y'all think about the palette. And you see what I mean? Also, the gold shows up a lot better than the white, because I don't know, yeah, the white was tripping. and the blush looks really nice too. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the notification if you haven't, find me on my social media, description box down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Major part of my life. Hey boy, I wanna be your wife, 'cause you're a major part of my life.